My name's Timithy Rolls. This is, Jordan Springs. We decided to get solar because we have a high energy usage. We have a pool that, runs a heat pump 24/7. We have the aircon running pretty much 24/7 as well. And then we have, a big family, so there's multiple fridges and other types of appliances that are running regularly. So it'd be a bit hard to live without solar. The size of the system is 10.8 kilowatts. We have a Tesla Powerwall battery as well. We were building our house, so we knew pretty much from that point where we started building that we always were going to get solar. Penrith Solar Centre was, we liked the professionalism and the time frames that they could give us, and they sold us on what the system would do for us. Without the solar, we'd be spending thousands upon thousands each quarter on energy bills, and in fact we probably couldn't afford it. I honestly think we've probably recouped the money on the solar already.